How to remove your password and turn off BitLocker on a Windows 11 computer. Using a password on your account helps to protect your computer and your files. But in some cases, quick access to your computer can be more important. In Windows 11, you can remove your account password to create an automatic sign-in experience. Remove password for a Microsoft account. You can remove your Microsoft password and switch to a local account. This means that you won't see any personalized settings on all your devices connected to the Microsoft account. Search for and open Settings. Make sure you are logged in with your Microsoft account. Click Accounts. Under Account Settings, click Sign In Options. Under Ways to Sign In, select Password to open the drop-down menu. Click Change. Enter your password. Click Next. Leave the new password and Confirm Password fields blank and click Next. Click Finish. You can now sign in without a password. Remove password for a local account. Search for and open Settings. Click Accounts. Under Account Settings, click Your Info. Select Stop signing in to all Microsoft apps automatically. You have now switched over to the local account. Click Accounts. Under Account Settings, click Sign In Options. Under Ways to Sign In, select Password to open the drop-down menu. Click Change. Enter your password. Click Next. Leave the new password and Confirm Password fields blank and click Next. Click Finish. You can now sign in without a password. Enable BitLocker encryption. The BitLocker feature encrypts your drive to secure your data on your Windows 11 computer. Search for and open Manage BitLocker. Click Turn on BitLocker. Choose one of 3 options for saving the recovery key. Caution: the BitLocker recovery key is unique for the computer and is required to recover data from the computer if the drive is locked. If you do not have the key or the key is not recognized, then Windows must be reinstalled on your computer. Select the location to save the file and click Save. The recovery key has now been saved. Click Next to continue. You can choose to encrypt used disk space only or encrypt the entire drive. Select Encrypt Entire Drive and click Next. If you want to encrypt a fixed drive on the computer, select New Encryption Mode and click Next. You can choose to run a BitLocker system check, which will take longer, or start the encryption without running a system check. Click Start Encrypting to start a basic encryption. The BitLocker encrypting message displays while the drive encryption is in progress. You can continue to use your files during this time. When the drive encryption is complete, click Close. The Turn Off BitLocker option now becomes available. Turn off BitLocker encryption. You can turn off BitLocker and decrypt your drive. Search for and open Manage BitLocker. Click Turn off BitLocker. Confirm the decision to turn off BitLocker. Allow the computer to decrypt. The decryption progress is displayed. The decryption completes. BitLocker is now turned off, and the Turn on BitLocker option is available. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.